Hi everybody and welcome to Survival Dads. So today I want to show you this. This is the Pro First Responder Medium Holdall from AEROcase bags. Now I picked this up from Reflex Medical and it's an awesome bit of kit and I really want to show you its features. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so we'll start with the outside of the pack and then we will take a look inside and I'll show you some of its other features. So first thing to mention is this comes in two colours. It comes in a red colour, this one, and also comes in a nice blue colour. So you can coordinate it to your particular role for the bag or what better suits your uniform and PPE. So this bag is made out of a PVC material, so it is totally wipe clean, so infection control and things like that is going to be taken care of, no problem at all. This is a hard wearing bag. Stitching's really good, and I say it's made out of some really durable materials. So first of all, carrying the bag. So you have two options. You have the adjustable shoulder strap here. Again, fully adjustable to whatever length you require, and you have the nice high-vis yellow on different accents to it, so you're able to be seen and stand out nicely. So this strap is removable, like so. Simply unclip, and you can store this in the bag or simply remove it, depending on what role you want for this bag. So I'll put this to one side for now. Secondly, you have the nice padded handle here. So this velcros together, and you can simply undo it like so. So nice and easy to carry on you even when it's loaded with gear. It's a really nice balance point there as well, so it's not going to be lopsided or anything like that. So there are your two carry-in points. I'll just show you the rest of the outside. Okay, so looking at the top of the bag now, we have a nice clear plastic window and compartment here. So this would be ideal for labelling the bag or storing some important, easy to access documents. And you have the single zipper there with the high-vis pull tabs. Very easy to open and close. At the front here we have a nice large pocket with the double high-vis zipper pulls. And I say you have a nice spacious pocket here, all one open area. Again, PVC, so you're able to wipe clean effectively if it gets dirty. On the side, again a nice large pocket with the double zipper pulls, plenty of room inside, and that is repeated on the other side. So from the outside of the pack you have two side pouches and the front pouch there. To get into the main part of the bag itself, again you have the double high-vis zipper pulls, and that opens up thusly. Here we have the inside. Okay, upon peering into the cavernous bag, what we can see here is we have some internal dividers. So this is split up into two smaller sections and one larger section here. Now this is totally removable. You simply undo the Velcro securing points, one here, and one here, and this can all be removed if you so wish. And it can simply be laid down flat, so it's totally out of the way. So that's pretty cool. Gives you a good option to organise your bag into different elements if you so wish, or you can just have the whole bag as one open area. Now along the top of the lid here and also along the back of the internal main compartment, you actually have some elastic securing points to store those easy to reach items. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here, and even more along the bottom there. Hopefully you can see that. Now another feature is this internal zip pocket in the lid, inside of the lid. So again, you can store some useful items in there, no problem. So I have flipped the bag upside down, and what you can see here is again you have the hardware and PVC on the bottom. So this is going to give it an element of weatherproofing and also durability. And added to that, you also have the 5 grippy reinforced sections here. So that is going to make sure it doesn't slide around, and also gives it a bit more durability when you're putting it on the ground if you're working in an outdoor environment. So as I mentioned, this is a pack which is suitable for a wide ranging variety of job roles or specialities. It's perfect for the professional first responder or someone looking to have a substantial kit for their home, car or office use. So I'll quickly give you some dimensions. So this is approximately 43 centimeters by 25 by 27. It weighs approximately 2 kilograms, and it of 18 litres total capacity, including all of the pouches. So the bag is manufactured and designed in Germany, and I purchased it from Reflex Medical. And if you're interested, I'll put a link in the description below of where you can purchase it, and also a discount code which will save you 10% off the price of it. So yeah, so really interesting bag. I'll show you some close-ups of different areas, and I'll fill it with some bits as well, so you can kind of see how I'd lay it out. So thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.